Hi everyone, this is Anne. Today I have a Louis Vuitton handbag unboxing for you. And I'm so excited to get this bag. I've been eyeing it for the longest time, and my daughter and son-in-law actually surprised me with it. They said that they wanted to do something special for me, helping them so much with their wedding back in August. So I'm really excited to share with you what they got me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. The handbag arrived in this box, and it's a nice sturdy box with a magnetic closure, and then inside is the bag within the duster bag. So the purse comes folded up within the duster bag, and they purchased me the beautiful Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandouliere, and this is a beautiful bag. I'll go ahead and open it up so that you can see it. Once I get my belongings in the bag, any creases from the way that they packaged it will come out. And this bag is just so pretty. It has a double zip with a lock, and it is a lock closure. It has gold hardware, and it also comes with a strap so that you could wear it crossbody or as a shoulder bag. And this strap is adjustable. I tend to just use my bags as satchel bags and carry them on my arm or just by hand. So I probably won't use the strap much, but it's a nice addition to the bag in case you want to be hands-free. Inside the bag, it has a little pouch that had the lock, which I already attached to the bag, and then it has the keys to the lock. And it also has light tan interior with one side pocket that has a zipper, and then it does have just a big open compartment with one D-ring on the side as well in case you want to hook your keys on the D-ring so you can find them easily. I think that the size of the Speedy 25 is perfect for everyday use. You can fit so much into this bag, but it's not so big and bulky that it's bothersome to carry around. And 2 years ago, I did purchase the dark version of this bag for myself when I was over in Paris. And it's perfect. It wears so well. I do use this bag every day of the year, and because it's so dark, I kind of want to use it more when I'm wearing dark clothing or maybe in the winter months, and then use my new one that my daughter and son-in-law got me for summertime because it is such a beautiful light colored print. And both these bags are made of canvas. They wear really well. You can even wipe them off if you get something on them, so you can clean them easily, and they're really just such a beautiful bag. I would love to hear from you guys down in the comments section on whether you change up your purses for summertime versus wintertime, and what your favorite designer bag is, and what your favorite combination of colors or print is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and a huge thank you to my daughter and son-in-law for purchasing this beautiful Louis Vuitton bag for me. I know I'll get many, many years of use out of it, and I can't wait to put my belongings in it today and start using it. Thank you so much for watching.